The Joy House Easter Hunt and Run. That's to keep and share with our family and friends.
Let's go!
Follow Miss Joy, the Joy House, the bunny of the Joy House Easter Hunt.
Go! Come on, listen to the music! Go!
Let's go! Look out!